Has your Venmo payment been declined, leaving your friend hanging and your pocket empty? Don't worry, we've all been there, and fixing it is usually straightforward. First, let's identify the most common culprit. Your payment method. Double-check that the card or bank account linked to your Venmo is current and accurate. Even a small typo or expired card will cause a decline. If your payment details look good, the next step is to ensure you have sufficient funds. A declined payment can simply mean you don't have enough money in your linked bank account or available credit on your card for the transaction amount. Sometimes, banks or card issuers flag transactions they deem suspicious, even if they're legitimate. Contact your bank or card provider directly to see if they've placed any temporary holds or restrictions on your account that might be interfering with your Venmo payments. Next, let's check your Venmo account itself. Make sure you haven't hit any transaction limits set by Venmo or your bank. These limits can vary, so it's worth investigating if you're trying to send a larger amount. If you're still facing issues, try unlinking and relinking your payment method within the Venmo app. This simple refresh can often resolve connectivity problems between Venmo and your bank. Lastly, ensure your Venmo app is updated to the latest version. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve performance, and an older version might be causing compatibility issues. With these steps, you should be able to get your Venmo payments back on track and avoid those awkward payment decline moments.